Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. This case actually works with the second generation iPad Pro and the third generation. So it works with this one and the new one with like the dual camera system and the new LiDAR scanner that's on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the box of this one. All right. And to open it, you just let it slide. Okay, perfect. Lifting it out, there's nothing else in the box. All right, let's get into this. All right, plastic's off. In here, you're greeted with the keyboard and the case itself. Additionally, you have some information. This is just your warranty information and how to set it up. The setup instructions basically go through the different ways that you can use it. That's all what those are for though. From there, you're just gonna take your iPad with the camera facing up. You're gonna attach it to the back of this. Just like that, it magnetically connects and you can set your iPad however you wish. Just like that, that's the Folio case. This case, I want to say this specific one retails for $179 from Apple. It is a pretty nice case, and it does protect your iPad very, very well. So it is one that I do recommend. Thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel for more, and I hope to see you on the next YouTube video.